Hi, my name's Haley. I work customer service here at Rockform, and I'm here to install our tempered glass screen protectors for you today. I know the scariest part about ordering screen protectors online is knowing that, yes, you have to install them yourself, but we make it nice and easy with step-by-step instructions as well as a template that centers the screen protector for you. Our screen protectors are Japanese tempered glass. They are fingerprint resistant and again, nice and easy to install. They're sold up on our website for just $29.99 in a pack of 2. We make them for the iPhone 13 series and phones previous to that all the way back to the iPhone 6, 7, and 8 Plus. So make sure you check that out and that you select the correct screen protector for the size of your phone. But today we'll be putting the screen protectors on an iPhone 13 Pro. You'll see here that it says 6.1/6.1 Pro. That's because the screen size for the 13 and the 13 Pro are the same. So yes, they do require the same screen protectors, but we'll go ahead and unbox these and just get started. So right out of the package, you get 2 little packs here that have an alcohol wipe, a cloth, and then a sticky pad on the back side to get any lint off the screen. So you're gonna get 2 of those. You can see everything in there. You're gonna get your 2 tempered glass screen protectors. So we've got the 1. They do come wrapped up very nicely, so you don't have to worry about them cracking or breaking in transit on their way to you. You know that they're nice and secure for those couple of business days that they're traveling from our warehouse to your door. We've got the 2nd screen protector. And then in the rest here, you have your step-by-step instructions just in case you're not able to refer back to the video. We put these in there for you as well. And then you have the template that's gonna center the screen protector for you. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is find a nice flat surface to put your device on so that you don't have it cradling back and forth while you're putting the screen protector on, because as you can see, the beautiful iPhone 13s have these nice prominent cameras. So you wanna make sure that you have a smooth, flat surface to put your screen protector on. Then you'll just take one of the little packets here, and they are in order. So you're gonna use the alcohol pad, the cloth, and then the sticky tape. So I usually just tear this guy open so that I have everything easily accessible so I can make it nice and quick. We'll just go ahead and get our alcohol pad out here. Open that guy up. And clean the screen. Even if your phone is straight out of the box, you'll want to make sure that you thoroughly wipe your screen with the alcohol pad. Just gets rid of any oils. I know the phones come with that protective layer of film over them, and that could leave some residue, so you'll want to make sure that you follow this step by step, even if you just took your phone out of the box. All right, and I don't throw anything away. I keep everything next to me just in case I need to use it again. If I get a fingerprint or something on my screen, I like to have the cloth and the alcohol available to use again if I need it. So now I've got that cleaned off. You wanna make sure it's 100% dry before you put your screen protector on. And I'm gonna use this here. Even if you can't see any lint on your screen, you definitely wanna use this because there might be something on your screen that you can't see, but your screen protector will definitely pick it up. So you just wanna make sure that you go all the way over your screen with the sticky piece. And now that I've got everything off, again, I'm gonna keep this right next to me. You do not wanna throw anything away until you have that screen protector on. This says top here. It has cutouts for the buttons so you know which area goes up on the top by the speaker. Click that on. It fits nice and perfectly. Want to make sure nothing got on the screen in the meantime. Pulled out our screen protector. It says remove tab on the back. So that's where the sticky side is. So you're just going to peel that back and put it directly on the screen. It's gonna start to self-adhere. I kind of let it do its own thing until it stops. It almost works itself all the way down. Sometimes it even goes all the way down and you don't have to mess with it. But if the bubble stops, like how that one did there, You don't want to press from the corner in. That's going to trap all the air. So you want to go from here and press on it there. Once you've got it almost all the way out, we'll take the template off. And you can see it just laid itself right down. I go over with the cloth one more time. It can take about 24 hours for this to fully adhere. So if you see anything like around the edges, that will lay itself down. And then we'll take our iPhone 13 Pro crystal case, put the device right in it. I just line up the corners and then snap it in from the other side, just like that. And you're fully protected and ready to go. You want to make sure you put your case on right after you put your screen protectors on, so you know that you don't have to worry about your phone. You can get right out there and start using your new iPhone 13. And we're actually filming this video on an iPhone 13, so let us know what you think. We're really excited with these brand new cameras, how beautiful they look. So we're going to start filming our videos on the new phones in our cases so that you can see what great quality they are. If you have any questions, go ahead and let us know, and have a great rest of your day.